Aw, I take it you like your squishy, Flounder.
Wow, that mermaid squishy is so pretty! I love it! Mermaids are the best! Phoebe, look! Fizzy Fun House! The ocean is so pretty. Yeah, I love the way the waves sparkle. Whoa, Phoebe, look! It's Ariel!
Hey, Fizzy. Hey, Phoebe. I just fancied a day out of the ocean.
I think Phoebe fancies a day in the ocean. Yeah, but I'm not the best swimmer.
I have an amazing idea. Come on.
Phoebe, look! Yay, the squishy maker!
I thought we could make under the sea mermaid squishies.
Yes, 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 yes! Oh, Fizzy, this is the best day ever! Miss Hands, I think we need a hand.
Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe. Hey, everybody. It's me, Miss Hands. Oh, hey, Ariel. How can I help? Oh, hey, Miss Hands. Would you help us make squishies? Of course. I would absolutely love to. All right, everybody. First up, we need to add 1 spoon of our magical squishy powder. And look what I found, some super cute, colorful balls. Let's add some of those as well.
Wow, it's gonna look so pretty, Miss Hands.
I know, Phoebe. Whoa, so many colorful balls. What would you like to add, Ariel? Oh, can we add some of those sparkly hearts and stars? Of course we can. Look how pretty they are. They're like the sea. Oh, I love it. All right, in they go. This is gonna look so pretty.
Miss Hands, Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
Could we add the dino car?
No, Phoebe, we can't add that. It wouldn't fit.
Oh, okay. Miss Hands, Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
What about this apple?
No, Phoebe.
Alright, pizza!
No, Phoebe.
I've got it! My favorite, a pink donut!
Phoebe, no. Food doesn't last forever. It wouldn't be a grape situation.
So, no cake? Oh, Phoebe, don't be sad. We can make your squishy under the sea themed with some blue, sparkly glitter! Awesome sauce! Miss Hands, could you help, please?
This blue sparkly glitter is gonna look awesome in your squishy. Whoa, so pretty. That's a lot of glitter.
Oh, Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
Could I add some little fake fishies to mine?
I love that idea, Phoebe.
I'm gonna call them Flounder! Phoebe, you can't put Flounder in your squishy. But I told him all about it and how we were making an undersea themed super duper sparkly squishy and he wanted to join in.
Oh, Flounder, you'll have to swim this one out, I'm afraid.
Aw, it sounded so much fun.
I know, but why don't you help us make the squishy?
All right. I've got it. Why don't I use my fizzy magic to make some mermaid confetti? Fizzy, Wizzy, oh Fizzy Pop!
Wow, Fizzy, they look mer-amazing. Miss Hands, could you put them in the squishy, please? Of course I can, Ariel. All right, these look so pretty. I love the colors. And look at these. They're so big. They're gonna look amazing in our mermaid squishy.
Miss Hands, Miss Hands!
Yes, Fizzy?
I think we're ready! Time to fill it up and tie it off!
Good job, everybody! All right, here we go! Now it's time for my favorite bit. Time to find out what it looks like. All right, everybody, are you ready?
Yes! I can't wait any longer! Show me, show me, show me!
Here's your mermaid squishy. Wow! Look how pretty it is. Pink hearts, the sparkly stars. Look, it's like we're underwater. Wow, great job, everybody. It looks amazing. Or should I say, mermazing.
It's beautiful! Just like the ocean.
Oh, Phoebe, it'll be all right. I'm gonna go back home now, but I'll see you real soon.
I know, but I'll just miss you. Don't worry, Phoebe. It'll be all right. We can come to the beach whenever you like. Really? Really?
Yes, of course. Awesome sauce. Bye, Ariel. Bye, Flounder. Bye, Fizzy. Bye, Phoebe. Thanks for all your help with our mermaid squishy. It went swimmingly. Oh, Ariel, you're so funny. Hey, want to race back to the sea? All right, not if I get there first. Ready? 3, 2, 1. No, Flounder, you cheated. You left before me, silly.
Look, Phoebe. Now we'll always have a bit of the ocean, Ariel, and Flounder with us. I love it. Thank you, Fizzy. Wait, is it time to wave goodbye now? I see what you did there, Phoebe. Come on, we can go make a sandcastle. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy, Bo.